Hey, welcome to Gear Jammer Garage. Today I'll be replacing the fuel filter on this 2023 Jeep Gladiator EcoDiesel. It's not too difficult, thought I'd make a quick video on that. It's right here on the driver's side, right next to the transfer case. It's this thing right here. See, there's a transfer case. It's this thing here. It's got a cover and it's underneath. First thing you gotta do is take these 10mm nuts off to get this metal cover out. Out of the way. All right. After getting that metal cover off, there's this little valve here and this little drain. I'm gonna put a bucket and just drain out whatever diesel's in here, just so it won't make a mess when I take the cover off. So once that's done, then we'll take off the plastic housing. So there you can see now it's down to a drip. I'll close this up. And it's just hand tight. And then using a socket that fits this whole cover will come off. The one that I found that fits the best is 1 1/8. The 30 is too big and the 27 that I have is too small, and I don't have nothing in between. So I'm going to use 1 1/8 to take that off. Oh, after you drain it, there'll be some in there. There it is. I don't know if it comes out on camera, but you can see those little particles in there. The filter just pops up. Just pull it off and it'll come out, and I'll show you the replacement. So this is what I'm replacing it with. You can see it's the same. It's a lot cleaner. And this is the part number. So what you do need from here is the O-ring to put it on this housing. You just take this off with a pick, put the new O-ring on here, and then the filter goes into the fuel pump assembly because it has these notches here in the pump. So this goes in there like that, and then this just gets tightened in. Alright, then you get some diesel from the container there and lube this up, this O-ring here, before you install it. So let's go back under the truck, install the new filter, and finish this. Alright, so I stuck my fingers in the container, get some old diesel, and there's an O-ring down here. You want to lube this up, and this whole part goes facing down, and this part goes facing up into the notch in the fuel pump. I don't know if you can see right there at the base of the that pipe there. You can see the notches where this goes in. It goes like this. See if you turn it, you can feel where it lines up right there, and it clicks in. So now the new filter's in there. Some of this old diesel, and lube this O-ring here, and then put this back in. Alright, once you got it back in, wipe all this down. Make sure it's nice and clean. Then you want to prime it. Check for leaks. And if it's good, no leaks, then you put the metal cover back on. It's like a skid plate. And then you're done. You can hear it priming. Alright, I'm going to cycle the key one more time. It's in the run position. Oh, you can hear it filling up. Alright, I'm going to cycle the key a couple more times and then we'll fire it up. One more time. All right, I'll fire it up. done. You can see all the little particles that were in there. So, thanks for watching, guys. I hope that helped you. See you guys next time.